All right, so we just did a cold start of this motor, and I want you to hear how smooth this motor runs. Explain to you why you don't hear the tappets, you don't hear the clicking that you would normally on a Triumph TR250 motor. Go ahead and turn it off. So Gary, I know you know about the advancements that have been done on this specific motor and on this cylinder head. Share with me a little bit some of the details on this motor.
Okay, well, we'll start with the valve train first. The rocker arm assembly was sent to Rocker Arms Unlimited, and it had all the rockers bushed and reprofiled, and the rocker shaft was re-hard chromed and ground. All of the intake and exhaust valves are brand new. The exhaust valves are Stellite. The exhaust seats were replaced with hardened steel seats, so it would work with unleaded fuel. And it had cast iron guides put back in the valve guides put back in the head, and the valve guide stems were cut for seals. So it'll be very efficient, won't suck oil around the guides. Things that are to point out in this engine rebuild are the original lifters were used. Typically the original lifters are much better quality than any of the aftermarket parts, and the original lifters were faced properly by the same fellow at Rocker Arms Unlimited that did the rocker shaft. Additional things is the cam was reground by Iski Cams in Los Angeles. The timing chain was upgraded to a double row timing chain and gear set. The pistons are 20 over pistons, and the crank and the rod bearings are 10 thou oversized.
Because this car runs so good. It is very different from a normal TR250, and all of those details are exactly why this car mechanically, as well as paint and details and beauty, it is just an incredibly well done car. Those are the kinds of things that set this car apart from any other TR250 you've seen before. And you'll notice in this video, the spark plug here has the coil off of it. We just finished the cold start. We're going to be doing a compression check next. So right in with this video, I'm going to put the compression check. So you'll get cold start, you'll get details on the motor, and then you'll also have a compression check, all just happening sequentially. Today is Sunday. Auction started yesterday, so this is as fresh as it can be. So let's do a compression check.